I wonder how many people actually know that caribou are threatened and have even seen a caribou. And if they saw a caribou and they saw them on their land and a mother caribou caring for its young, like a human mother cares for its young, how are we that much different? Would we start to make different choices? Are we blindly just going through life? What do we want for this future planet? This planet that gives us life. This planet that gives us everything. I'm going to ice and snow. The tundra, also known as the Barren Lands, because it's barren. It's just going to be white and cold. I really want to tell the story of caribou in their environment. I had an image in my head, something that I really wanted to capture, and how could I capture that? What was the method that I would have to do? What was it that I had to learn about the animal or learn about the environment to go capture that image? And what was the message that I wanted to convey to people? Images are powerful, and they tell people a story. So through my work, the hope was and is that I could share the Arctic with them to give them an appreciation of something that they may never experience, an environment that's important to many different species, and in reality, very important to humanity. This is my calling. I think patience plays a big role in nature photography. Sometimes it can start to feel a little bit down on your luck because you're just waiting and waiting and waiting. But if you open up your ears and you allow your senses to be alive, it's not really a wait. It's actually an experience. Whenever you're dealing with any of these situations out in nature, you do have a connection. the anticipation is immense. You dream about what might be coming, what you might experience. And you project as well what you're hoping to see. I mean, I have a spiritual side to me. And sometimes I think these animals want to have their story told through specific people. To come over this hill and see 300 caribou grazing on the frozen barren lands. The sun beating down on them on the white snow, the rolling hills in the background. Incredible experience. And they got up and they ran for a few hundred meters. And I captured that moment. But I think they're running because they felt some type of threat. And the whole image is symbolic of their life right now. They're threatened. They're living a threatened existence. The species, not the individual, the entire species. Years ago, when I was in the Arctic, seeing a group of 300 caribou was common. And to think that in a 5-day period, I saw only one group of caribou. I don't say anything else. I want to be instrumental in helping to save nature. I believe that there's a force that will come to be. I always remain optimistic about the power to instill change that will work for the good of the planet.